What's up, guys? AndersCubes here. I just got my PB of 6.71. This is gonna be the Reconstruction. This is more than a second faster than my last PB, and at this low rate, I don't know how I did this, but oh my god, 6 seconds. Oh my gosh. Okay, here is the scramble. Okay, so as you see, I did white cross. The green is just one move away, and so is the blue to make a cross, and then you just realign. So that's what I did to make the cross really easy. Then I found this pair somehow. I don't know how I saw it, but I saw this pair, and I rotated and then paired them up, canceled into it. Then while I was doing that, I saw that this pair was breaking up, so I immediately rotated and inserted it into the back. Then I found these two pieces, so I put it here. And as you can see, this is looking pretty good. So then I pair these two up. Oh shoot, wait, sorry. Then I pair these two up like that. And as you can see, another pair is formed. So I insert this, then I insert this pair, get this really easy OLO into a skip. What? Oh my gosh, 6.71 seconds. I cannot, I don't know what to say. When I got this, I just stood still and I started gasping. I was so, 6 seconds, what the heck? Wow, it's not even been 2 years. Wow, 6 seconds. Oh my gosh. So yeah, the cube I used for this was the Worm Weilong V9. This is definitely my new main. For some reason, I guess cleaning it up does really help because I cleaned out, the pieces, and you know, on the corner pieces, they have these little indents. Well, there was a bunch of junk in there. So I decided to get a little sharp thing and kind of get out the gunk, and I think that might have actually helped with the turning. I cannot believe that I just got a 6 second solve. Yeah, put this in the record book on Saturday, October 14th. Oh my gosh, when do you get a full second faster at this level? I don't know. Thank you guys for supporting me so much. Definitely a lot more videos. I'm hoping to become pretty darn good in the next few years. This just motivates me even more to just keep on cubing. 6 seconds is something that people clap for in competitions. Yeah. Wow. Alright. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.